Hi guys, it's Justine from Impero Property Solutions. I thought I'd step outside today and just talk to you a little bit about making money from your properties. I'm jumping on because I had a chat with somebody yesterday, a property newbie who's really interested in how they could make money from property, but actually I think they were underestimating what a great opportunity property presents. So I know so many of us, we're British, it's in our DNA that there's nothing safer than bricks and mortar, but had you actually realised and thought about it, there are 4 amazing ways that you can make money from your property investments. The first one is obviously buying your properties at discount. Obviously, I know over the past 2 years there's been a shortage of housing stock, and there's been lots of people chasing properties, so buying at discount has got a lot tougher. Even real experts like ourselves and other people we know in the property business really struggling to get big discounts. But you absolutely should be looking to buy 10 to 15% below the market value of a property. Be careful, market value and the actual asking price can vary. We've seen a crazy inflation of some prices of properties, and what we've seen, and I know other people have seen, is that people have paid a crazy price for a property, and then ultimately when a mortgage valuer has been out to value the property, it's been recognised that it's overpriced, finance hasn't been offered, and these properties are coming back on the market, and we've snapped up properties at this point. So it's always worth trying to buy at discount, because that really will make a difference to how you make money from your property. So getting discount, that's your first way to already add to the profitability. Your second one is the capital growth. We all know that property prices, on the whole, they only go one way, and that is up. And if you have bought the property in the right places, you bought them in the right areas, really attractive to the rental market, then on average, property prices, it's often said double every 10 years. The reality is they've been going up an average 7.9% every year for the past 90 years. So you know with property you are going to get great capital growth. I guess the other side to that is, in terms of how you're going to leverage that and make the profit, is when you're getting that capital growth, you've got the refinancing capability. So obviously it's no good saying, yeah, I've got this house, it's gone up £200,000 in the last few years. There's no point in that unless you're going to take that £200,000 out, rinse and repeat, go again. That's what buys the next property. So leverage that growth. So the capability to refinance your property is the really amazing. For us, that's the biggest tick and the biggest way forward for making money from property. So you've got buying at discount, you've got the capital growth that you get from property, you've got the capability to refinance, and of course you've got the cash flow. So whether you're buying property and you're renting it as good old, ASTs, family buy-to-lets, good safe rental properties, you've got the continued cash flow. So obviously you always want to be in a position where your rent is covering your mortgage, it's covering your expenses, and it's earning you money. Again, it comes down to buying the right property in the right place to make sure that you get that cash flow. But the rent will pay forever. So if you're covering your costs, the rent will pay you forever. You might be buying property to have serviced accommodation, but again, or even holiday lets, but again, it's providing regular income. So how many assets, can you talk that provide a regular cash flow? They are growing significantly year on year. You've got the capability to refinance them. So that's 4 great ways that you can use property, and really that's 4 brilliant profit levers. So it's property all the way for us. Anyway, if you would like to hear how we can help you invest in property, then get in touch. I've got a link in the bio, and hopefully we look forward to speaking to you.